My name is Himal Handu Bhatt and I am the principal of Hansraj Model School, Punjabi Bagh, Delhi. And I take great pleasure in sharing with you that we invited Vibha to conduct a workshop for my senior teachers. I have been a part of Vibha's workshop some time ago, and that has left an indelible mark in my life. I've never been able to forget that. It was a learning wherein I thought I knew everything. Not everything, I mean about gratitude at least, because I've been very grateful to people. But even then I thought there was so much more to do, even at that point of time, and I thought I should bring her to my school, to our school, wherein we could share the same kind of experience with my senior teachers as well. And I hope to have this workshop for my other teachers as well. It's a big school. So we started with the senior department, and I am sure, because I was a part of today's workshop as well initially, and I'm sure they have a lot to take away from the workshop today.